Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Cooking with Mimi, and today the first dish I'm going to make is from my born place, Haiti. Shout out to my Haitians out there. And today we're going to make Diri Djon Djon. Okay, let's get started. So first we're going to put oil. About 2 tablespoons. Let that oil heat up. Guys, Diri Djon Djon is like one of the best Haitian dish. Okay. And then right here, I have coconut. This is pure creamed coconut. This is what I'm using. I'm using about 1/4 of a block. Put that in here. You know, we Haitians, we like to scrape every bit. Okay. Alright guys, I like to get like a nice light, very light caramel color on my coconut. Like toast it a little bit. And then I'm going to add Haitian épices. This is épices, okay? If you guys want to learn how to make it, please let me know down in the comments below. I'm going to use a good amount of that, probably like 2 tablespoons. Make sure you stir that because I don't want my coconut to burn. Okay, and then I'm going to add my peas. This is about 1.25 cups of frozen green peas. I'm gonna add that. And basically, I'm gonna fry it. Alright guys, so my peas are frying up, and if you don't like any seafood or shrimp, you don't have to add this. Right now I'm adding dried shrimp, about 1/2 cup, 5 ounces of dried shrimp. It gives the rice flavor, it's really good. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Then I'm gonna stir that. Like, Diri Djon Djon is really a native dish in Haiti. And we mostly make it for like wedding, communions. If there's a birthday party, there's a party any type of party going on, Christmas. It's really like not a dish that's made every day. But trust me guys, this is one of the best rice you'll ever eat. Alright guys, let me tell you about this is the Djon Djon water. And you boil it till you get this color. It's like a black, dark gray color, and you should get a distinctive aroma. It's so good. It's dried black Haitian mushrooms, and I used about 1 cup of it. It's not that easy to find, so an alternative you can use is these Maggi. This is Djon Djon Maggi, okay? You can find this at any universal supermarket. It's about the same thing. You can either use 1 or 2 depending on the quantity of rice you're making. So since I already have my water, I'm just gonna use that. So I'm gonna use about 3 cups of water. 2.5. Beautiful color, guys. This is what makes the rice. Okay. Okay. And then I'm gonna let that cook. Then bring this to a boil. Alright guys, now that my water is boiled, over here I have already cleaned and washed and rinsed rice. Just gonna pour that in there. And give it a stir. This beautiful color, guys. And then I'm gonna add 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. Creole we call it pima. Okay. Just drop it in there like that. And give it another stir. And I like my rice steamed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put plastic wrap over it. In Creole we call that touffé. You guys don't have to do this. That's how I like to make my rice. You guys could just put the lid. And I like putting the plastic wrap, and I put my heat on low. And then I put my cover right over it. So right now, it's gonna slowly cook for about, I'll say 30 minutes to 40 minutes. Alright guys, we're going to check on the rice. Be careful taking the plastic off because this thing is hot. Ooh, look at that. I'm just gonna give it a quick stir, but this is how it's supposed to look. Okay guys, now I'm going to plate it. Okay guys, this is the finished Diri Djon Djon, and I paired it with some chicken, Haitian chicken, and some Haitian pickles. If you guys want to learn how to make it, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. I had a lot of fun doing this, and you will see a lot more videos coming soon.